первого мультфильма, который был создан всего 2,5 месяца.
Премьера.
Именно премьере Arteki. Это первый мультик, нарисованный искусственным интеллектом. Чем же нас блокчейн, расскажу вам позже.
One of the first companies to create a full-length animated film using artificial intelligence technology, and next year we plan to produce about 10 products.
We realized it was time to make full-length animated films. It just so happened that this melody inspired us to write the idea and script for this cartoon.
Voicing a cartoon is a first-time experience for me. I'm very happy to be trying this for the first time in my life. For me, it's something unusual. I think everyone should give it a try.
We kind of knocked down a wall in the shed today.
Dima, why don't you go get some fresh air? I need to talk to your dad.